Largest planet Pluto. Not just a title, but it is the truth. Alfarouspe, to achieve a combination of thoughts stems from the ability of the divine cannot imagine how and where this capacity, but its mere extenses and its proof of all humanity that science is still standing on things of cosmic, and that it is combined by spiritually is the extenses of the greatest universe, and cannot be the universe axis are incomplete, but it is the focus the focus of awareness of what contains if the facts known to mankind will be revealed on the science which will did not imagine their senses. Introductions to imagine discovery. Look at imagine shown as follow. To release this fact must be clear physical concepts, and the physics concept divided the universe into three parts. First parts, axis disappeared, Alfarouspe Planet Pluto, ALFAROUNPE Planet Pluto, and second parts is Pluto planets, and the third parts and important part the sun, which is the space center and the center of the universe as a whole. And we understanding this is covered in the next videos. 3 videos related with this is discovered as follow. This is video related with the big discoveries about Pluto is largest planet, and we talk about physical concept and which it's divided the universe into 3 parts, and the first part axis disappeared Alfarouspe planets, ALFAROUNPE Planet Pluto, and second part Pluto planet, and the third we tell about the sun. And this is video we described about the first part axis disappeared Alfarouspe planets. Several research equations revolved around the possibility of a host of other planets in the range similar to the solar system as we know it, but if any be difference in characteristics to achieve a balance, and one of these planets is a planet ALFAROUNPE Pluto, and this planets will be at the level of the planet Pluto, but on the opposite sides of the total solar system. Alfarouspe theory does not exclude the extenses of the planets similar to the Earth, and have not discovered yet, not even a race or sex level or will live by it. And for determine the planet similar with the Earth, we must tell about and know about where is the land found, where is extenses the position of characteristic of the land, and determine then the opposite characteristics of land. We will discover the planets in similar to the Earth and opposite characteristic of opposite solar. And we will continue in third part to discover this is to understand this discovered and talk about the second axis Pluto, and the third part the sun, which is the space's center and center of the universe as whole, and determine why the Pluto planet is large. Why Pluto planet is large? To understand this is discovered, we must continue to understanding second and third part of physical concept and imaging concept of the universe, which determine their Alfarouspe. The second axis Pluto, and the third axis the sun, which is space's center and the center of the universe as a whole. In the scenario, shows that the axis of the physical universe must be equal of relative mass, for the center will be the situation of equilibrium, must be the axis to be in the equilibrium, and not create states of equilibrium if the axes are equal from the center in some of the characteristics of equilibrium in the universe. For this we can deduce that any axis of this must be equal or close relative of mass of the center of the universe, which is the sun. And how Pluto, that has a mass close to or equal to the mass of the sun, which is approximately equal 1.99 multiple which 10 over 13. The planet Pluto contained and divided into several layers. First layer of material containing the mass of material. We all show it. And the second I discovered it, and its wave layers. And this is the classes if you do not prove to the human presences as and will be invalid in the coming year. And this layer are the layers of absorbance called wave absorb harmful radiation in the universe. The planet Pluto increases with increases density and with increases the size expansion of the universe according to the following relationship: density equal mass divided on volume, and mass equal density multiple with volume expansion. And we calculated the size through the expansion of the equation for the expansion of the universe Alfarouspe. For that is not just calculated the physical mass of the planet, but there are a mass of wave which increases with expansion of the universe. As a result, Pluto is a planet is huge, and for that, in this discovers Alfarouspe not determine just Pluto is large, and he determined that this appeared planet, which is axis of the universe, Alfaro planets or Alfarouspe planet, and he determined how and where we can find similar planets in the universe which similar to the Earth, and for that he talk about that to determine the planets similar to the lands we must determine the characteristic of the Earth and take opposite characteristic in the opposite solar, and we find it. And for that, Alfarouspe not but just discovered, but he bought science for all humanity.